Lobster, from trash to treasure. Back in colonial Maine, the rocky shores teemed with lobsters, so many that locals considered them the cockroaches of the sea. These crustaceans would wash up in piles after every storm, making them impossible to ignore and even harder to avoid. Far from being the luxury dish we know today, lobsters were once seen as food for the poor and unfortunate. In fact, lobsters were so abundant and cheap that they became a staple in the diets of prisoners, servants, and farmhands. Some accounts say prisoners complained about being fed lobster so often, leading to rules that limited how many times a week they could be served. The tables have certainly turned since then, as lobster is now a prized delicacy. The story of the Maine lobster is a reminder of how perceptions of animals can change over time. What was once considered a nuisance became a symbol of fine dining and coastal culture. Maine's lobster industry now brings millions of dollars to the state each year, and lobstering is an essential part of its identity. So, the next time you see a lobster on your plate, imagine its ancestors scuttling across colonial beaches, destined for prison chow. It's a tasty bit of history that highlights how attitudes and fortunes can shift in surprising ways.